Hey guys, welcome back. We are in my backyard right now. Today we are going to be doing some nature notebooking from the good and the beautiful. We have a date planned to go to the beach a little bit, so I thought it'd be fun just to come in the backyard and enjoy the beautiful weather and do some nature notebooking. So if you guys are not familiar, the good and the beautiful does have these super cute nature notebooks. They have different seasons inside of them where you can journal about nature, and they've got guided questions for you. And so today we are in the middle of summer. It's June, we live in Michigan, and it's beautiful outside. And so we are going to open up our nature notebooks, and I figured I'd take you guys along with me. It says, what do you like about summer? Check all that apply. Fiona, can you read us what the first one says?
The bright wings of butterflies.
The bright wings of butterflies. Does anyone like the bright wings of butterflies?
No, I don't.
You don't? All right, well, if you don't like it, then you don't have to check it. But if you do like it, then you can check it. All right, what's the next question, Fiona?
Seeing plants grow in the garden.
Good job.
The sound of rain on the roof.
Ezzy, do you like the sound of rain on the roof?
Well, it kind of hurts my ears at bedtime, but I could say it.
It hurts your ears at bedtime? I love the sound of rain on the roof. I feel like it's so peaceful, especially if it's storming outside.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you.
So the next step is that we're going to describe 2 more things that you love about the summertime.
I like flowers.
You like flowers? Do you like the way that flowers look, or the way they smell, or the way they feel? What's a descriptive word? You like the way they smell, and how do they smell?
Good.
Good.
This is what I'm gonna write. I love the smell of fresh flowers.
Beautiful.
That's my bear I made, and that's a dog.
Very cool.
Mom, you can see the dog's having his tongue out.
All right, so next up on the agenda is we're gonna do a summer nature walk hunt. So we're just gonna stay in our backyard, and we're gonna go through the list of things, and we're gonna see what we can find from the list, and we're gonna check it off. So what's the first thing on our list that we have to find?
A leaf that bugs have chewed.
Yep, a leaf that bugs have chewed. All right, who can find a leaf that a bug has chewed? So who can find a bird? I hear him.
Dad, you gotta find a bird.
I hear him out here. What did you tell me when I told you that you have to look for a spider web?
There's only spider webs in the basement.
In our basement? Yeah, there probably are. I bet there's some spider webs here in the trees and stuff. But we gotta be careful to make sure that we're not touching poison ivy back here.
Or ticks.
Or ticks, you're right.
I can't see them. I can't see them. One flower spinning. 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 Well, we finished our nature hunt and it was super fun. I would definitely recommend if you guys have never done nature journaling or you've never really looked into it, definitely look into it because I feel like it just brings a whole other dimension to your homeschooling experience. Gets you outside in nature. Part of the reason why I love the ones from The Good and the Beautiful, it's because it's guided. So it has activities for you to do, things for the kids to draw. They're practicing sentences and it's an excuse to go outside and have some popsicles as well. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, I will have links down below for you. We are gonna be heading to the beach today to spend some more time outside. So can you guys say goodbye to everybody? Bye. Bye.
Thank you so much for joining us. Say bye. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.